Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 EarthRoamer LTX is the new definition of luxury explorer. External EarthRoamer iconic design, the LTX will maintain the EarthRoamer's rugged yet elegant look, which features clean lines and proportions that are in balance. Advanced LED illumination. LED technology will be used for exterior illumination in the form of headlights, taillights, and auxiliary spotlights. Lots of external storage, lockable cargo storage areas outdoors, possibly with sliding drawers or shelves. Custom bumpers with winch. The front and rear bumpers will be made of heavy-duty steel. Inside, premium cab design. The truck's interior will be completely remodeled with high-end elements including leather, solid wood, and metal accents. A full-size refrigerator and freezer, a stainless steel sink, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, microwave, upscale worktops, and ingenious cabinets and storage drawers are some of the kitchen's features. Cozy seating area. The dining area, which is likely to double as a second bed, will have comfortable seating. Large master bedroom. The back or top of the cab will include a comfortable queen or king-size bed. The cutting-edge entertainment system includes a flat-screen TV. Smart home control system. Your motorhome's integrated touch panel allows you to control all of its systems. Massive solar power. The LTX will have a massive solar array installed. Lithium-ion battery system. A high-capacity lithium-ion battery bank will store the energy generated by the car's alternator and solar array. High-power inverter. A powerful inverter converts DC power from the battery into AC power to power home appliances. Advanced off-road navigation system. Satellite communications. Off-road GPS integration with detailed topographic maps. And a vehicle monitoring system are all included as standard. Safety windows and doors. For enhanced protection, double locks or electronic locking systems will be installed on windows and entry doors. Off-road big tires, all-terrain or mud-terrain tires and large beadlock wheels will be standard. Equipment.